Let's say you have a good idea, a truly good one. You can feel it in your gut. It's the solution someone desperately needs. The content that will change a mind. The product that will finally pull out of the client hamster wheel. You open your laptop, ready to build, and you just stare at the blank page. And there it sits, and it sits, and it sits. Weeks later, that good idea is still just an idea. Maybe it's a half-baked outline, a scattered mess of notes, or even worse, it's completely vanished, replaced by the crushing weight of another missed opportunity. You're not lazy. You're not uninspired. You're trapped. Trapped by the unspoken, insidious myth of manual creation. A hidden trap that ensnares 90% of creators, suffocating brilliant ideas before they ever see the light of the day. And this is the blank page myth. And it's why your best intentions, your most valuable insights never launch. And let's dissect this silent killer. You, the starter creator, the busy operator, you're told to just start, to iterate, to ship imperfectly. Noble sentiments, useless in practice when faced with the sheer soul-crushing volume of work required to transform a concept into a sellable digital asset. Just think about it. You have an idea for a course, maybe an ebook, a membership, and that's great. Now what? You open a document, and what's the perfect structure? How many modules? What's the optimal lesson breakdown? And how do you even start writing engaging, valuable content from scratch, ensuring it flows logically, addresses every pain point your audience has, and provides a clear path to transformation? And this isn't just writing, it's instructional design, content strategy, psychology, and copywriting, all rolled into one. And if you're a busy freelancer juggling clients and deadlines, where do you find the uninterrupted weeks, sometimes months, to write and rewrite, design and redesign? The answer for most is you don't. You pick away at it. You get frustrated, you get distracted, life happens, The idea fades, and even if you do manage to wrestle some content into the page, that's just the beginning. Now comes the technical gauntlet. How do you set up, for example, payment getaway that doesn't look like it was coded in the 90s? How do you integrate it with a delivery system that ensures your customers actually get what they paid for? What platform hosts your content without bleeding you dry in monthly fees or baffling you with obscure settings? How do you craft a compelling sales page? And what about email sequences, welcome sequences? How do you even begin to create promotion content for social media? Week after week, across multiple platforms, without feeling like you're running a separate full-time job. This is why templates fail you. A template gives you a pretty box, but no instructions on what to put into the box or how to construct the contents so they actually provide value. It's basically a skeleton without the muscle, blood, or beating heart. It doesn't solve the blank page. It just changes the color of the blank page. You're not looking for another passive course that dumps hours of videos on you and expect you to magically figure it all out. You're not looking for a noisy forum filled with conflicting advice from well-meaning amateurs. And you certainly don't have the budget or the patience for bespoke agencies charging 5 figures to build something you could own. You're looking for a clear path, a system, a way to leverage your valuable insights and turn them into tangible income generating assets without sacrificing your sanity or your precious time. You need to escape the myth that true creation requires you to be a solitary artisan, meticulously handcrafting every single pixel and every single word from first principle. And this is where Valhalla Elite enters the field. Imagine a world where your valuable ideas don't just sit in your head, but rapidly materialize into polished, professional, sellable digital products. Not by magic, of course, but by meticulously engineered AI-assisted system that does the heavy lifting for you, freeing you to make the key decisions that truly matter. And we call it Valhalla Elite because it's precisely that. A strategic execution first path from idea to live offer designed for those who understand that true value lies in shipping, not just dreaming. And Valhalla Elite is a scalable AI-assisted build and launch system. And it's not just a course, it's a guided journey with powerful, confidential AI tools as your co-pilot. You provide the insights, the perspective, the unique voice that only you possesses. And our AI takes that raw material and transforms it into the heavy assets you need. For example, the comprehensive course structure, the detailed lesson scripts, the actionable worksheets, the compelling packaging copy. All of it in your tone, reflecting your brand, amplifying your message. You don't write from scratch. You direct, you refine, and you publish. And let's peel back the layers and examine the core concept, the how of Valhalla Elite. The process begins not with a blank page, but with a rapid validation framework. Before a single word of content is generated, our system, guided by your input, helps you pinpoint the most profitable, most impactful niche and offer. No more agonizing over what to build. We use specific AI prompts designed to help you rapidly choose and shape a sellable angle, ensuring there's actual market demand before you invest a single minute in building. And this isn't guesswork, it's strategic clarity. Once your offer is validated, the true power of AI-assisted creation kicks in. You move into the asset generation phase. Imagine this. You feed the AI your core idea, your expertise, your unique perspective on a topic. You might provide a few bullet points, a short audio clip, or even just a free-form brain dump. Then, using our proprietary prompts and workflows, the AI generates a complete logical product structure. Think module, breakdowns, lessons, titles, key takeaways for each segment, and it acts as your content architect, laying the foundation in minutes, not weeks. Next, you dive into the content creation. For each lesson or chapter, the AI drafts the initial script or text based on the structure and your initial input. And this isn't generic robot text. This is a draft that captures the essence of your message. A robust starting point that's 70 to 80% complete. And your role is to review, refine, inject your personality, add your specific examples, your anecdotes, your signature flair. And you're not staring at the empty page anymore. You're editing a sophisticated first draft. And this is where your expertise truly shines, where you add the nuance and the depth that only a human can provide, but without the agonizing, time-consuming struggle of initial generation. And the same process applies to supplementary materials like worksheets, exercises, checklists, even the framework for your sales page copy and promotional content. Our AI tools streamline the creation of all these crucial components I just mentioned. And this isn't just a content generator. It's an entire content factory operating in sync with your vision. You're making the key decisions, guiding the process, ensuring authenticity, but you're no longer buried under the overwhelming burden of manual output. Once your product's core assets are built and refined, Valhalla Elite shifts its focus to launch readiness. And this is where many creators, even those who overcome the blank page, fail. The tech overwhelm. But we guide you click by click through setting up your delivery platform, integrating payment getaways, and ensuring a seamless customer experience from purchase to consumption. No coding, no obscure manuals, just clear, concise steps. We ensure your offer goes live cleanly, professionally, and reliably. But launching one product isn't enough. Sustainable success comes from consistent rhythm. Valhalla Elite doesn't abandon you post-launch. We provide a simple content engine framework using AI to help you generate consistent promotional material across all platforms. Email, social media, whatever your chosen channels are. And this isn't about spamming. It's about intelligent, targeted content creation that keeps your offer in front of the right audience without demanding every spare minute of your week. You'll keep the prompts, the templates, the workflow, everything you need to launch your next product even faster, building a repeatable asset creation machine. But you might be thinking, but I don't have time for this. And that's precisely why Valhalla Elite exists. Our workflows is built for short, focused sessions. AI makes the drafts, you review and ship. What once took weeks or months can now be compressed into days or a few focused weeks because you're not spending 80% of your time on creation, but 80% on refinement and strategic decisions. I'm not technical, you might say, and that's completely fine. We will guide you click by click on live streams to set up everything. No coding required. We demystify the tech stack so you can focus on your message, not your server. And if you don't know your niche, remember our rapid validation prompts I told you about. That's where we start. We help you choose and shape a sellable angle before you build, ensuring you're aiming at a hungry market, not just a vague idea. And the big one, will AI quality be good enough? This isn't about generating a final product with a single click. It's basically AI assistance. You're always in the loop. You refine the drafts AI make with a proven Q&A checklist, ensuring every piece of content is customer ready, infused with your unique voice and expertise. Valhalla Elite combines AI-built assets, a step-by-step setup, and a high support cadence. We offer frequent coaching calls, co-working sessions, and accountability to ensure you don't just start, but you actually ship. This isn't passive learning, it's active execution. You emerge not just with a completed product, but with a clean checkout, a working promo rhythm, and a repeatable process that empowers you to build again and again. This isn't just about launching one product. This is about transforming how you operate as a creator, as an entrepreneur. It's about leveraging the most powerful tools of our era to build real assets, generate reliable income streams, and reclaim your time and energy. It's about ending that blank page paralysis forever. The Valhalla Elite system is the antidote to the blank page myth. It's your strategic advantage. And we're currently accepting a limited number of new members. And for the first 10 people to join, we're offering an exclusive early bonus dedicated done for you / done with you support to get your first product through the system even faster. And this isn't just an offer, it's an invitation to take your rightful place as a creator who actually creates, who actually ships, who actually builds wealth. Now, stop dreaming, start building. The blank page is no longer your enemy. It's an opportunity. The path to Valhalla is clear. Click the link below and let's get to work.